Show me one.
Action.
Farmer Zio in the house. And I just figured I'm gonna start a YouTube video channel because you know what? I need help, but at the same time, I just wanted to show you this big buddy. Look at that. You mad, right? Your husband's not even this big.
No, he's not.
He really isn't.
No. Definitely not mine, I don't think.
There you go. While we're at it, you guys want a little tour of what we've got going on? This is the first thing I've cut literally the whole season. I just wanted to show you that. But these are my okra at the bottom. Then I have my apricots. And right behind me, right behind you, I have my grapes. My Brussels sprouts. My cherry tree.
Cherry.
Then I have white eggplant, Japanese eggplant over there, and
White,
3 tomatoes. More cucumbers everywhere going down.
purple, or Japanese, I don't
And
know.
then, yeah, Japanese cucumber.
Tomatoes. Cucumbers.
Corn.
What's over here?
Corn.
Corn.
And the peaches.
Peaches.
And
Wait, let's find peaches. Oh, there's one. Peaches. There's more than that, but they're all hidden.
But wait, there's more. And the flowers. Oh, we just got one that bloomed.
Beautiful.
The wine. Thanks, auspicious. I have snap peas here. Kale. More cucumbers. My dad's
Next sun right now.
PJs, or I don't know what these are. He went in the pool with those today. We got some more peppers. Basil.
Where?
Basil here, next to my wine. Mint. More peppers behind that. More cucumbers. And have the regular big purple eggplants here going on. Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes.
Eggplant. Tomatoes, 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 potatoes.
Potatoes! If you don't think that.
Let me see.
Strawberries.
Excuse me, who's strawberries?
That's the only thing she does.
Who?
The video.
Wonderland.
On top of all
Really, it really is the only thing I did. This is salads.
greens. Well, hey guys. I hope you liked my video today. Hit like and subscribe. Hope to see you
Show the
soon.
persimmon.
Oh.
You can
Well,
hit
we're at
like
it, then let's
after
do that
you look at the
also.
persimmon.
My persimmon tree, which let me tell you was like hard as fudge nuggets. The reason I'm starting this video of this like vlog is because of the fact that I had so many issues with the persimmon tree. Like so many. And the only person who ever even bothered trying to help me out with it was another YouTuber, Lead Farmer 73, who even hit me back up and asked me what the issues were and tried to help me out through it. And at the end, it was just so horrible. I had to give up and buy a new one.
So check that person out
So-
too. Props to them. These are beautiful. Where are the rest of them? Right there.